Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my 3-in-1 CarPlay adapter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. Let me take a look at it. So what's cool is this one can connect to wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and it can also do pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, things like that. So I thought that was really cool. So let's go and take a look at it. It's this one right here. That's very nice. Compact. We go. You get power from. Then you also get Type-C to USB, Type-C to Type-C, and then your user manual. So like I said, this should be very simple to set up. Let's go to the car and see what it actually looks like, and then we'll pair it to our phone. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is hook it up to my car's actual USB port right here. Once it detects it, you'll get that Android first screen right there. All right, now that it's got all the apps downloaded on here, I'm going to go ahead and go through some of them so you can kind of check it out. So we'll go ahead and just go to settings so you can see all the different features that you can actually change right on here. So you can see it's got the Wi-Fi, different language, Bluetooth, things like that. So now we'll go ahead and go back. Now I'm going to hook it up to my phone using the Bluetooth feature right on here. So now I'm wirelessly casting right onto the dongle that will display on my radio. So look how cool this actually is. Everything that you would normally have on your car through the wire is now being shown on here wirelessly. So I thought this was super cool. So I'll go ahead and just show you some of the cool examples. So I'll go ahead and open up my audiobooks and just go ahead and let it play for just a quick second, just so you could see that it's actually playing on here.
To help inform what consumer-centric content really actually looks like. Just like how we searched.
Very cool. And then we'll go ahead and try out a different app. So we'll go ahead and go just to my music, and then we'll go ahead and let this one play for a little bit just so you could see how easy it is to use. So as you can see, it's super easy to use. And now we'll go ahead and try out another application on here. We'll go ahead and load the maps, which is probably my favorite feature out of all the features on here that I can do wirelessly. Just because if you're constantly having to travel somewhere, you don't have to keep plugging in your phone, especially if you're doing any of like the delivery apps. This is going to come in super handy. All right, and now to my favorite part of this 3-in-1 adapter is that it has YouTube pre-built in here. So I'm going to go ahead and load it up so you can actually see how it works. All right, I went ahead and selected a video for us to watch. So I'll go ahead and make this full screen so you can see how cool it is, as well as I'll mute myself so you can actually see that you can hear everything coming through the 3-in-1 device.
We are officially stranded here for the next 7 days. That might have been the scariest thing I've ever done. First things first, we gotta get really far away from where we were held down. Why?
So as you can see, it's such a cool feature. So we'll go ahead and try some of the other apps that come on here. So we'll go ahead and just load up Netflix on here so you can see it's all working directly from the 3-in-1 device. Once it loads up, all you have to do is log in like you would on any other app and go ahead and put your credentials there, and then you are good to go. And the last cool feature that I'm going to show is that it does have the entire Google Play Store right on here. All you have to do is sign in with your Google credentials, and you'll have access to all the applications that you normally would have on all your other Android devices. So I thought that was really neat. All right, so guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking to upgrade your car's radio to like more of a wireless AirPlay or Android Auto, or just be able to access like Netflix or YouTube, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.